Great day ahead, everyone, and welcome to the EEG or the English Easy Gold Star channel. In this video is the reading of simple words from vowel and consonant sounds U to Z. Coming up. Okay, letter U this time. Alright, let's read the words. Umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. Okay, next. Under, under, under. Okay, next. Unit, unit, unit. Okay, next. Up, up, up. Next one. Us, us, us. Okay, next. Earn, earn, earn. Okay, next one. Ultra, ultra, ultra. Okay, next word. Ultimate, ultimate, ultimate. Okay, and the last one. Use, use, use. Okay, good. Now let's review the words. Okay, look at this one. Umbrella. You hear the sound is umbrella. Okay, and then unit, unit. Okay, the sound is U. Here it's a different sound because it is combined with the letter R. So the sound of U is earn. Alright, earn. And another is the word ultra. U is ultra. Alright, and here the sound is U. So we read it use, use. Okay, again. Umbrella, unit, ultra, use. Okay. Notice also the combination of the letters E and R here and U and R here. So they have the same sound. Okay. Under, earn, okay. Under, earn. Alright, good. And lastly, let's look at the letters E here. Ultimate and use. Okay, E has a silent sound. Even the E here has a silent sound. Okay, so it's silent E and silent E. Ultimate, use. Okay, good. Now let's go to the letter V. V. Okay, let's read the words. Van, van. Again, van. Okay, next. Vest, vest, vest. Okay, next word. Visit, visit, visit. Okay, next. Vault, vault, vault. Next. Very, very, very. Okay, next word. Vain, vain, vain. Okay, next one. Vine, vine, vine. Okay, next. Violin, violin, violin. Okay, next. Vulgar, vulgar, vulgar. Okay, last word. Vase, vase, vase. Okay, good. Now let's review the words. Let's go to this word over here, vest. Okay, let's look at the letter E and the letter E here, 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 and there. Okay, E here has the sound eh, eh, and likewise with this one, eh, eh. Okay, and this word vine, E has a silent sound. It's the silent E, okay, vine. And likewise with the word vase, E here has a silent sound. It's a silent E, vase. Okay. However, E here is combined with the letter I. Okay. So their sound is A. 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 That's why we read it vein. Okay. Vein. All right. Now, let's go to the letter I. Okay. Let's look at the letter I here. The sound is I. 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 Visit. Visit. Okay. Next, let's go to the letter I over here. Right? Okay. It is combined with the letter O. So, the sound is I-O. I-O. Okay. And then the sound here of the letter I is I. I. Okay. All right. So that it reads violin. Violin. Okay. I-O. I. I-O. I. Violin. Okay. Now, look at the letter Y over here. The sound of letter Y is the same as the sound of I. 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 Okay. Letter Y is also I. That's why we read this very. Very. Okay. Y. But the sound is I. I. Very. Okay. Good. Okay. Next is the letter W. Okay. All right. Let's read the words. Wag. 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 Okay. Next. Wet. 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 Next. Wind. 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 Okay. Next one. 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 Okay. Next. Worst. 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 Okay. Next. Walk. 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 Water. 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 Okay. Next. Warm. 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 Okay. Next one. Worm. 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 Okay. Next. Wit. 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 Okay. Good. Now let's review some words. Okay. Look at the word one, the word walk, and the word water. Okay. Look at the letter O here. Okay. The sound is O. O. One. Okay. So it has the same sound with the combination of A and L. Okay. A, L, the sound is O. O. Okay. That's why we read this one walk. Walk. Okay. Which has the same sound as the letter A here. Okay. O. O. That's why we read it water. Water. Okay. Next, let's look at the words worst, water, and worm. Okay. Now look at the combination of letters U and R. Okay. The sound is worst. And then here, the combination of E and R is okay. Water. water. And then here, the combination of letter O and the letter R is That's why we read this one worm. Worm. Okay? Good. Okay, let's go to the letter X. Right? Let's read the words. X-ray. 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 Okay, next one. Xylophone. 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 Okay, next. Xenon. 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 Okay, the last word. Xenia. 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 Okay, good. Okay, let's review the words. Okay, look at the word xylophone. Xenon and xenia. Okay, the letter X here and here and here, they all sound like the letter Z. Okay, Z, Z, xylophone, xenon, xenia. Okay, while as X-ray here, the sound of X is X. Okay, X-ray, X-ray. Okay, and then look at the letter Y over here. Okay, the sound is I, xylophone. Okay, and then look at the combination of letter P and H. Okay, the sound is okay, that's why you read it xylophone. Xylophone. Okay, and then the letter E here is a silent one. Silent E. Okay, xylophone. Okay, good. Now let's go to the letter Y. Y. Okay, let's read the words. Yak. 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 Okay, next one. Yard. 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 Okay, next. Yell. 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 Okay, next. Yes. 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 Okay, next. Yuck. 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 Okay, next one. Yin. 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 Okay, next word. You. 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 Okay, next. Your. 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 Okay, next. Yam. 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 Okay, next. Yellow. 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 Okay, and the last word. Yarn. 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 Okay, good. Let's review some words over here. Look at the words you and your. Okay, the combination of the letters O and U are the same. Okay, but they have different sounds. Okay, the sound of OU here is oo. Oo. Okay, you. You. While as the sound of O and U here is O. O. Okay, that's why you read it your. Your. Okay, O. 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 Okay, O. You. O. You. O. Your. O. Your. Okay, good. And the last letter, letter Z. Okay, Z. Z. Okay, let's read the words. Zap. zap, zap. Next, zero, zero, zero. Okay, next one, zebra, zebra, zebra. Okay, next, zipper, zipper, zipper. Okay, next, zoo, zoo, zoo. Okay, next, zoom, zoom, zoom. Okay, next word, zumba, zumba, zumba. Okay, and the last word, zinc, zinc, zinc. Okay, that's all. Good. Okay, let's just review some words. Look at the words zero, zoo, and zoom. Okay, let's look at the letter O here. Okay, the sound is O, O, zero, zero. Okay, whereas the letter O here is doubled, same as with this one. Okay, so the sound is oo, oo, zoo. Okay, oo, oo, zoom. Okay, again, O, zero, O, zero, oo, zoo, oo, zoom. Okay, good. So we are done reading simple words from vowel and consonant sounds U to Z. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope that you keep learning with us. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and stick around for the next video of how to write the letters of the alphabet in cursive or longhand form. See you and bye for now.